mix of food. And wow.
ये जो हम चाय पी रहे हैं ये नॉर्मल टी है, बट इस दुकान में एक स्पेशल टी भी मिलती है, दैट इज़ केसर टी. देयर आर लोड्स ऑफ सैफरन गिवन एट द टॉप ऑफ द टी विच लुक्स गुड. बहुत ही उम्दा देखने में लग रहा है.
Looks nice, and it also has the topping of kheer. Wow, look at that filling. That filling is made of lentils. ये पूर बना हुआ है दाल का. This is so soft that you can take this much of paratha. Just dip it in the curry, and this can all go. The whole thing can go inside and melt. It is so soft. It's great.
Good morning, namaste, salam, sat sri akal. Today we are going on a breakfast hunt around Kolkata, and Kolkata is famous for many things. One of them is food, and especially breakfast. Today we are going to 5 different places to have 5 different types of breakfast. Some of them are of Bengali tradition and some of them are of foreign influences. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up and share the video because this encourages us to make more amazing food and travel videos. Please हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and do press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our coming videos. The locations of all the destinations we are going will be given in the description box. Names and prices of all the dishes will also be provided in the description box. मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ मज़ेदार ब्रेकफास्ट ट्राई करने के लिए. शायद श्रेन आ गया है. ओके, बाय बाय ऑल ऑफ यू. सी यू इन द वीडियो.
For a very long time, I've always wanted to go on a very early morning breakfast ride, but I could never wake up as I'm not a morning person. It's about 5:30 now, so we are going to quite a few places to try out many things for breakfast in Kolkata. So let's see how it goes. सुबह जल्दी उठने की आदत मुझे है नहीं, तो इसीलिए मैं सुबह ना तो उठता हूँ ना तो सुबह कुछ खाता हूँ. देखते हैं कितना खा पाता हूँ. Actually, I have a plan to eat a lot of food in different places and different types of food, ranging from healthy food to unhealthy food. So I'm excited.
So we have reached our first destination, Kirete Bazaar. যেখানে আমরা শুরু করব আমাদের যে লং যে ব্রেকফাস্ট আনতে আমরা বেরিয়েছি. This is our first destination. How are you feeling about this place?
I'm feeling good. I'm looking forward to eat some momos. बहुत सुना है इसके बारे में. चलो देखते हैं.
So it's quite early in the morning, at least for me it's quite early. It's 20 minutes past 6 and I think we're gonna start with something healthy.
Yeah.
You know, so maybe we'll try something in soups or something steamed.
Yeah.
Exactly. Let's see. আমরা ফার্স্ট যে জায়গাটা আছে সেখান থেকে আমরা 3টে আইটেম নিয়েছি. সো ডু ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু সে সামথিং অ্যাবাউট দি ডিশেস উই হ্যাভ অর্ডার্ড?
Yeah, this is chicken momo and this is
Fish ball soup and this is pork bowl. So we're gonna try. Looks nice, looks very healthy. Tell me, how is the taste? This is the first breakfast we're having and we're going to many other places, but this is why we start. It's good. It's okay. You don't look very impressed. But I think to start your day quite early, it's steamed, it's not very spicy, right?
No, it's not that spicy. It's good. The sauce is spicy, which is giving a different flavor.
Let me try the momo. Quite nice. The dough is very thick. I think you need it for breakfast to fill your stomach.
The
Right.
only word which is coming into my mind is healthy. That's it.
Yeah, it's healthy. Let's try the fish
Try
ball
it
soup.
with
Yes. Let's try the soup. So I'm trying the fish ball soup. First I'm gonna try the soup, then I'll try the balls. It's a clear soup. It doesn't have a lot of flavor, but so many people will not like this, but I actually quite like it because it's very subtle and it's very flat. But I like it because I can't take very rich food in the morning, so this is actually quite good for me. If you like to have spicy soup or more flavors, you can always add on ketchup or some spices. They have salt and pepper and ketchup. Now I'm gonna try the fish balls. Let's see how it is.
Looks good, man.
This is the fish ball. As you can see, it's kind of like a dumpling, or maybe it's not a dumpling. It's just a fish ball. So I'm gonna try the fish ball. It has the flavor of the fish, and it's a steamed fish ball. I quite like it. It's bland, but maybe that's what I needed at 6:30 in the morning. For the last dish, we have called Orko. Orko, please come in the frame.
Hey,
Good morning.
good morning.
Are you excited to try the pork
Yeah,
bowl?
exactly. I'm very excited for
And is this the first time you're trying this
Yeah,
dish?
obviously. This is first time
और-
I came over this place also.
अच्छा, तो आप पहली बार यहाँ आए?
हाँ.
अच्छा, काफ़ी सुबह उठना पड़ता है यहाँ आने के लिए. और ये प्लेस सबको बता दूँ, you can only have this food very early in the morning. You can have it throughout the week, but you should specially come on Sundays. And you should be here by 7:30, because after that, most of these things, they start finishing. So please come early to get all of the dishes.
बहुत सुबह उठा.
Wow, you can see the pork inside. It's cubed pork, which has a red color. और को खा के बताइए हमको. Is this food too light and plain for you? Do you need more flavors?
Exactly. Like मैं ऐसा बंदा हूँ जो मसालेदार खाना खाता है
अच्छा, तो और को पसंद करता है मसालेदार खाना.
और ये
So-
पूरी सादा खाना हो जाए. पर सुबह के लिए बहुत अच्छा खाना है.
So people who like to eat healthy, who like to eat steamed food, clean food, they can always come here very early in the morning to eat this amazing momo, fishball soup, paos, and there are many other things. If you just walk down the lane. So if you want something fried for breakfast, apart from the steamed momos and dumplings and bowls, if you want something fried like spring rolls and fried momos, you can come to other shops which have fried stuff. As you can see, so this is the spring roll, that's fried momo. This is kind of a fried chop or something.
All these are pork items.
These are all pork items. So these are all made of. So all of these have the filling of pork, and this have chicken inside it.
Prawn papad.
Prawn papad, wow. And I think they also have something in steamed as well. I can see the steamer over there.
Only pork.
Pork momo है वहाँ पे. Sui mai भी है. I can see the sui mai as well. So I think we're gonna try one spring roll. So ये आ गया chicken spring roll. और ये इधर आ गया pork spring roll. Please खा के बताइए. Please tell us how does it taste? Cheers. Are you happy with something fried now? This is the spring roll. I can see chicken inside, chicken coming from the spring roll. Of course, chicken will come outside of the chicken spring roll. So stupid. How does it taste, Pankaj? It's good. Okay.
It looks very oily, but it's not. Actually, it's not oily.
It's not oily.
that oily.
Okay. And we can see minced pork inside. पूरा कीमा है जो pork का भरा हुआ है अंदर. You can see the minced pork. How does it taste, Rocco?
पाव से बहुत अच्छा है बट सॉल्ट का थोड़ा कमी है.
Salt का थोड़ा कमी है. पॉकेट में लेके घुमा कर भाई.
वही करना पड़ेगा.
Pankaj really liked this spring roll, and when he went to pay, he came to know it's only 20 rupees, and he was quite hungry as well. So he thought, okay, I'm gonna take one. I said, please eat as much as you can.
Just 20. Can you imagine? Just 20 rupees. That is loaded with chicken inside. You know.
And it's quite soft, right? You know, like the
the fermented dough kind
yeah.
of thing. So, भाई जो होगा देखा जाएगा. दो तो खाना ही पड़ेगा. कहाँ रोज रोज आना है? हैं? नहीं.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
एक खाओगे बाइट ले लो आप.
नहीं नहीं, हमको बहुत जगह में खाना है हमको. अरे यार, तुमने इतना प्यार से कह दिया. खिलाओ भाई, खिलाओ.
कैमरामैन का भी मन ललचा रहा है.
We are done at our first destination, Tireti Bazaar. We have had the Chinese breakfast. Now we are going on to our second destination. We have arrived at our next destination. This place needs no introduction. It's the very famous Fleury's Bakery of Kolkata, and we're going to have our next breakfast here. So let's go inside. We are here at Fleury's to have another type of breakfast which is available in Kolkata. As you can see, the place is quite nice. It's quite beautiful, looks regal and posh. Looks like we're sitting in a cafe somewhere in Europe. We came here very early in the morning, so it's only us, there's no one else, which is good. Because usually this place is quite full, you might have to wait, but for breakfast, it's a very good place. It's slightly expensive, but I think it's worth it. Can I have the English breakfast? Espresso. So I'm going to try the plum slice along with the espresso. Looks quite nice. Tastes very good. Tastes very sweet. It's supposed to be sweet, I guess. This plum is full of dry fruits. You can see, plums inside the cake as well. This is a piece of plum, and there are raisins, dry fruits. It's full of very rich fruits. The English breakfast has arrived, the table, and it comes with some chopped fruits. So we have the toast, of course. We have baked beans. Let's see if they give Heinz baked beans or not. They have hash brown, sausages, fried tomatoes, fried mushrooms, bacon, and under the bacon they have 2 slices of ham as well. And of course fried eggs sunny side up. So let's try. टोस्ट में हमने बटर लगा दिया है, खा के देखते हैं। टोस्ट और बटर जैसा ही है। Let's try the baked beans now.
It's not the best baked beans I've had. This is not Heinz baked beans. It's good. It's not great, but it's good. I'm going to have the hash brown now. The people who don't know what is hash brown, it's just chopped potatoes made into a patty and then it's just fried. So it's just basically fried aloo patty. So let's try. Hash brown is really good. If you can see, it's crispy on the outside and it's very juicy and succulent in the inside. Going to have the fried tomato. It's seared on a pan. You know, you can see the burnt bits. It's seared on a pan and they have this quite interesting topping. I don't know what exactly it is, but I think it's a mixture of, you know, garlic, coriander leaves and some crispy things which makes it very nice. I think it has ginger flakes as well. So it gives the fried tomato a whole new flavor, which is quite nice. I like it. Fried mushrooms. I really love fried mushrooms. Doesn't matter if it's for breakfast, for lunch or dinner. I like any dish, any food which has mushrooms in it. The mushrooms are fried, I think, and they have a seasoning of salt and pepper. And usually the problem in India is that every time you go, if there's a seasoning, they usually give salt and pepper powder. They don't give crushed pepper. But this actually has freshly crushed pepper for this seasoning. Let's try these sausages. I think they are chicken sausages, which is not supposed to be with the English breakfast. It's supposed to be pork sausage, but I think this one is chicken sausage. It doesn't look very good. Maybe it will taste better than it looks. I'm not very happy with the sausage. It's okay, it's alright. Let's keep the bacon aside. I'm going to have the bacon at the end because I love bacon and it is difficult to get bacon everywhere in Kolkata. Of course you get bacon at some places, but it's not a very common thing to find in Kolkata. So I love the bacon and I'm gonna have it at the end. Let's try the ham. This is pork ham. Looks nice. Let's try it. It's actually quite nice. It tastes much better than it looks. Trust me. Now comes the best part. The bacon. Look at that. Look at that oil and grease and fat. बस देखिए आप इसको. I miss bacon in India. I absolutely miss bacon in India. It's quite rare to find bacon. The good thing about bacon is you can't really go very wrong with the bacon, you know. It's like tandoori chicken. You can't really cook a very bad tandoori chicken. So bacon is just bacon. Maybe poor quality, maybe high quality. Bacon is heaven. The way I eat my fried eggs, I just need one fork or spoon. This one has exploded, but you know, it's amazing when it's intact. You know, when it explodes inside your mouth, that feeling is amazing. Some people find it disgusting, some people can't take it, but I love it. You know, it's like an explosion inside your mouth.
We have just arrived at our next destination. It's called the Hunger Food Court, which is actually on Hungerford Street. और ये कोलकाता का जो ब्रेकफास्ट है ना, वो चाय और नमकीन के बिना कंप्लीट होता नहीं है. So the tradition of Kolkata is we drink a lot of tea. We drink tea in clay cups. Actually Bengali people और जो चाय है बहुत पुराना लिंक है. You can never separate a Bengali from a cup of tea. They will always drink tea and they will talk for hours about politics, science and everything over a cup of tea. So let's go and have some tea and fries. You can see how frothy the tea is. It looks very creamy. It looks very nice. This is Bengali tea in clay cups. If you come to Kolkata, please don't miss the tea in clay cups. This is a part of the Bengali tradition. This is a part of Kolkata. So it's quite usual for Bengalis to have tea with some sort of fries. It can be any type of fries. It doesn't really matter. Some people have it with biscuits and toast, bread. But I think this is a type of fries, a type of nimki, which has herbs inside, dry herbs inside. And the way to do it is, like you dunk the fry into the tea, then you have it. A cup of tea in a clay pot for a Bengali is heaven. A Bengali can drink tea all day, all night. It's amazing. This is sweet. I don't really like sweet tea, but you can always ask for tea without sugar if you don't like sweet tea. This has a really nice flavor of cardamom. इसमें इलायची दिया गया है इसमें, तो फ्लेवर बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है चाय का. बहुत ही मलाईदार है, मीठा है और इलायची का खुशबू भर के इसमें. It's a really nice tea. I can smell the cardamom. I can smell the cardamom. Breakfast for a Bengali is not over without a cup of tea.
ये जो हम चाय पी रहे हैं ये नॉर्मल टी है, बट इस दुकान में एक स्पेशल टी भी मिलती है, दैट इज़ केसर टी. देयर आर लोड्स ऑफ सैफरन गिवन एट द टॉप ऑफ द टी विच लुक्स गुड. बहुत ही उम्दा देखने में लग रहा है. वेल, idli is not actually the traditional Bengali breakfast, but due to the diversity, it is slowly coming into the breakfast menu, and people are favoring having idli, which is a very light breakfast according to me at least. And so you can definitely try idli in breakfast, sure. So let me have a try. You can feel the taste, and from the first bite you can feel it is a harmless food. It's really harmless. It's very healthy as well. Very nice taste.
So in the times of the pandemic, if you are really concerned to go out and have food or tea, you can also come here with your car. You can actually sit inside. Well, you still get somehow exposed, but still I think you can sit inside your car and have the tea and the snacks. So on a weekend or Sunday morning, if you're out with your family, friends or partner, you can always come here and have a lovely cup of tea and some snacks. So this is the place. Actually, I strongly recommend this place because this is not a very busy street, especially on a Sunday morning. So शांति है, आप एकदम खड़े होके उतना हसल एंड बसल नहीं है, और खड़े होके चाय पी सकते हो, और यू कैन हैव सम इडली एंड स्नैक्स, और कुछ भजिया वजिया है इधर आप खा सकते हो. So this is the place, Hungerford Street, 10E Hungerford Street, and the place is called Hunger Food Court. We have arrived at Shri Hori Mishtanno Bhandar. This is another exciting destination for our breakfast hunt. Mishti, sweets and kachori are an integral part of Bengali culture. Bengalis love eating sweets and Bengalis love kachori and dal for breakfast. This is a very famous place, and you can see the shop has been going from 1912. Millions of people come here to eat food. This place is one of the most famous places to have kachori and dal in South Kolkata. There are many places in North Kolkata, but in South Kolkata, this is the place. Let's go and try out Bengali breakfast. So this is a classic traditional Bengali place, a Bengali sweet shop in Kolkata. It looks very old, but this is the traditional look of a shop where people used to come before for breakfast or sweets. Now the things have changed. People go to posh cafes and restaurants or ghar mein khana bana ke khate. But this is actually the place where traditional Bengali people used to come for breakfast. So this is the famous Bengali kochuri, in Hindi kachori. This is a flat fried bread which has some filling, some stuffing, and this is the famous Bengali chana dal. This is the gram dal, the chana dal, which looks nice. It looks like a basic chana dal, but it goes very good with the kachori. So Orko, what do you have to say about kachori?
कचौरी मीन्स लव फॉर मी लाइक कचौरी पकड़ के ही मज़ा आ जाए, जो प्यार है ये, उससे बड़ी चीज़ कुछ नहीं होती है, जिसको छूने से आपको प्यार का एहसास हो और कुछ नहीं.
So Orko says he loves kachori. He absolutely loves kachori. Shraman, what do you have to say about kachori?
Same here. Kachori means love, and when it's like filled with food, especially with dal's food.
At many places in Bengal and Kolkata, they serve kachori with the tarkari, the potato curry. But I think I like it with the dal. I prefer it with the dal. Many people like it with the aloo, with the vegetables. So please begin, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at that filling. That filling is made of lentils. ये पूर बना हुआ है दाल का. कचौरी का मेन एसेंस है, मेन चीज़ है कचौरी का. So Shraman is gonna try the kachori with the dal. So Orko says he really likes the filling and he also likes the dal. So I'm gonna try a small piece. I'm eating since 5:30 in the morning. I'm still eating. It's 9:30. I'm eating for the last 4 hours. I'm still eating. So I'm gonna try it with the dal.
Also, it is fermented.
A Bengali can never resist a good kachori with dal. I can eat plates and plates of this dal. You know, it's slightly sweet. It is not the spicy chana dal, so it's very good for breakfast. It's quite sweet. And also, I think it's not just chana dal. इसके साथ मटर दाल भी मिला हुआ है. There are also some, like matar lentils and chana lentils. So this thing is called langcha. It's famous in Shaktigarh, but Kolkata also has good langchas. For example, this place, this is quite a big one. This looks like a sausage, but this is a sweet thing. So this is the big one, which costs 20 rupees. There are smaller ones, which cost less than this. So I'm going to try this. I don't think I will be able to finish it on my own. Looks nice, and it also has the topping of kheer. You should try it if you're coming to Kolkata. I'm gonna have one more piece. I'm a Bengali, I will always love this thing. Doesn't matter how full I'm feeling, I will always like sweets. We have reached our last destination. Can you guess the place? This is under Bijon Setu, Baliganj. We have come here for Petai Paratha. This is very famous place for Petai Paratha. There are two shops on both sides of the road. They have the same names. I guess they were brothers or from the same family. Petai Paratha can also be considered as a famous Bengali breakfast. It is very soft and the paratha gets beaten up. It gets flaky. It's very soft. We all love Petai Paratha, so this will be our last dish for the breakfast hunt. The shop is called Joy Ma Tara Kochuri Center. So they sell kochuri, but they also sell Petai Paratha, and also they have a similar shop on the other side of the road. Today is Sunday, so the place is empty and they're probably closing. But on weekdays, they are here throughout the day. You can come at any time for breakfast, lunch, and even for evening snacks. And I think even you can have it for dinner. They're open throughout the day. So the location is Baliganj, right across the underpass. There's the railway station of Dhakuria. This is Bijon Setu. So right under Bijon Setu, this place. And also in the evening, you get lots of other varieties of food like rolls and chow meins and kebabs, lots of other things.
So on our last breakfast stop, we have Bob with us as our guest, and he has recommended this place Petai Paratha. So we are looking forward to it, and I hope it tastes good. Okay, so let's go.
So they are rolling the paratha. It's white flour and they knead it with some oil and water, and it's supposed to be very soft and stretchy, and you can see it's very big. You know, if you see my hand, it's just here, and the tawa is quite big.
अब देखिए पराठे की धुलाई शुरू।
इसलिए इसको कहते हैं पिटाई, जो बांग्ला में बोलते हैं धुलाई।
हाँ, देखिए कैसे पीट पीट के इसको फ्लफी किया जा रहा है।
This is getting beaten up. That's actually the name in Bengali, petai. It's supposed to be beaten up, so it becomes very flaky. So inside is soft, but the paratha gets very flaky. You can buy this on weight. So they weigh the paratha. You can buy 100 grams or 200 grams. आप इसको ये लोग इसको तोल के देते हैं 100 ग्राम 200 ग्राम। सो ऐसे जैसे ये कितना है भैया, 100 ग्राम है, 200 ग्राम है। दिस मच इज 200 ग्राम्स ऑफ पराठा। कितना प्राइस है सर, कितना है? 24 रुपये है 200 ग्राम। सो इज़ वेरी चीप। 200 ग्राम का सिर्फ 24 रुपये है, ओनली 24 रुपीज़ फॉर 200 ग्राम्स। सो दिस पराठा comes with a curry of peas and potato and it also has soya chunks in it. ये मटर की सब्ज़ी के साथ आती है, आलू है, सोया चंक्स भी है इसके अंदर। खा के बताइए कैसा है, हाउ इज़ इट? इज़ द पराठा सॉफ्ट और इज़ इट हार्ड और इज़ क्रिस्पी? टेल अस। और को हाउ इज़ इट?
सॉफ्टनेस 100%, कड़कनेस नहीं है, पूरा सॉफ्ट है।
पूरा एकदम बहुत सॉफ्ट है।
मज़ा आ गया, बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट, बहुत अच्छा।
बॉब, हाउ इज़ इट?
पराठा इज गुड, बट ये जो
सब्जी है
थोड़ा गर्म होता तो और भी अच्छा
अच्छा।
होता।
तो
ठंडा हो गया ना।
अभी हम लंच के टाइम पे आए तो ऑलरेडी लेट हो गया। दिस इज़ दिस इज़ आवर ब्रंच, सो इट्स क्वाइट लेट और शॉप ऑलरेडी मतलब क्लोज होने वाला है। इट्स ऑलरेडी आफ्टरनून। दिस इज़ अ मॉर्निंग थिंग। दिस इज सो सॉफ्ट कि यू कैन टेक दिस मच ऑफ पराठा, just dip it in the curry and this can all go, the whole thing can go inside and melt. It is so soft. It's great. It is great. We had a successful day. We were eating since 5:30. It's almost 1. We were still eating breakfast, more like brunch. Please tell us if you like the video. Subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon if you like our videos. And if you want to be in our video and recommend places and eat with us, just comment. Just comment any place you want us to go with you. And we're gonna go there, shoot a film, including you, because that will be your review. So come and join us, because together we eat and travel.